see me making matcha lattes all the time here. Can't be mean.
Be encouraging.
Working space and let's just sit here. Is my bed usually made? Anyways, next is my desk area.
Theo, where do you shower? What does your shower place look like?
Is it starting? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a highly requested video. You guys have been asking for an apartment tour. Of course, if you guys ask, I am going to fucking deliver. If you guys ask, I'll make it. Also, my friend is filming.
So let me know how you guys like this.
Because usually I film my intro by myself. She's like trying not to laugh. So also I have no idea what I'm doing right now. So for those who don't know, I recently moved to New York. I live in a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment. I have 2 other housemates. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the living room, kitchen, my bedroom.
What do you guys tour?
Because I know you guys have questions. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if this video is gonna be super enjoyable. I don't know. We'll see. If you guys fucking hate it, let me know. Yeah, my room has really good lighting. I'm gonna show you guys this. Let me know if you guys also want like a little room makeover type of thing.
I just don't, man.
See, this is not what I usually make.
So I'm a little nervous.
Anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's get started with the vlog in 3, 2, 1. This itself is our living room. You can see this part is the sofa. This is the sofa. Just all sit here and we watch the TV. This cabinet itself is the newly built one. It's from Wayfair. It didn't take us that long to build it since the 3 of us built it. We literally have the box here just in case like something happens and we might want to return it. This here is the heater itself. Honestly, this one gives me a headache. We can't really adjust the temperature, so it kind of just set. And honestly, I think we need to figure out how to adjust the temperature. But basically, this thing right here
is a heater.
Moving on to this section right here. I think this was also from Wayfair. It's like working space and let's just sit here and work. I don't know. These seats itself I'm not a big fan of. Like these are new, so they're like kind of clean. This seat itself, it's like made out of, it's literally fabric. So I feel like they might get dirty. We have fabric cleaner, so I think it'll be fine. This rug is also really nice because it kind of ties everything together. I did realize like when we were buying furniture for this, we want to make it whitish with like this TV stand right here. Everything kind of just like blends together. This rug itself is from Rug USA. Shout out to them for gifting me this. My housemate had this like originally, and see it's like a clear little table, which I think is also really freaking cute. Okay, so we can see that this is the entirety of our living room. And next we move on to the kitchen. Are we ready? Dude, I think you guys have seen like a lot of clips of what this kitchen is like. So for those of you guys who have seen my like New York vlogs,
I think it's like the first or second one.
You guys saw me and my housemate building this kitchen cabinet. This kitchen cabinet literally took us 3 hours to build. Honestly, thinking about it, I should have just bought the previous kitchen cabinet off of the previous housemate, but I wasn't smart enough. Whatever. Some of the essentials that we have here is just toaster. I always toast my bread, so I needed a toaster. And this is the brand in case you guys want it. Next is something I bought recently, which is a rice cooker because I left my previous one in Boston. I had the same model, I think. Look at my hand. It's a really tiny rice cooker, but it's also because I don't usually eat a lot of rice, so this is kind of for one serving. And then within the cabinets, you can see we mainly just put all the utensils here. I remember like we were kind of running low on utensils, but we all like pitched in. The reason why we were building a kitchen cabinet even in the first place is because we needed storage, especially with the pots and like the Tupperware. I think I would say that the kitchen might be like the place where you guys are the most familiar with me, and I always need to make my breakfast. Like I don't care how things work, I need to eat my breakfast. Do you guys want to see the refrigerator? I realized for this entirety of this tour, like I'm like speaking behind the camera, so I'm gonna speak in front of the camera. I don't know what model this is. I'm 5'6", so this is slightly taller than me. They say all 3 of us shared this one refrigerator. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. The top shelf is mine, and then we kind of separated it. If there's no storage, we can just put it on the bottom. Right now, I'm actually gonna make a pumpkin coffee thing because I literally bought this like Chobani coffee creamer the other day. I never tried it. If I leave this fridge on for too long, it starts beeping. Also, this is one of my favorite almond milk oat milk brands. It literally just has 3 ingredients in here. Do you hear that? It started beeping. If we were to move down, this is where the freezer is basically, and I need some ice. Having a good ice tray is just so important. Rubber part is just so easy. You press on it, and it comes out. Yeah, I think I basically gave you guys a tour of this part and this part. The stove where you guys keep me cook, and this is the microwave. This is like mainly the part where like I assemble things, and you can see that this is the dishwasher. Honestly, having a dishwasher is so great. Like I used to have one off campus back in college. I rarely used it, to be honest, because I just felt more comfortable washing my own stuff. And then there's a sink. I'm not gonna show you the sink right now because you have some stuff in there, but you get the gist. You see me making matcha lattes all the time here, and I'm literally going to show you guys how I make my coffee. Do you see this right here? I use it for Polaroid pictures. I was like, do you want the sparrow? Maybe we could use it for something here. She's like, yeah. So she hung out tea bags, bro. Let me show you. She's literally so smart. smart for this. Like, what the heck? She literally hung up tea bags. You see that? That's so freaking smart. Like, I would have never thought of that. This is basically our little station here. This is the matcha that I use. It's the Miyuki Competition Organic Matcha. This is like my second pack, I would say. I get like such a big bag. Oh my god, did my straw just break? No, my glass straw just broke. This is the second time it happens. Maybe this is just my sign to not get glass straws, but we have to throw it out. Oh, and by the way, I'll show you guys my trash. Forgot to show you. There's like this little wire things on the side, which is pretty cool. And then this is just a little part that we didn't really use. We're gonna try this coffee today because I bought her from Tesso and I can't really find good instant coffee, but one of my friends said that this is good. I don't know how much to put. I'm just gonna put like... Oh my god, you see the dust? Oh, it smells really good though. Dump some hot water in here. This is like the coffee right now. I'm gonna mix it with a straw. I'm just gonna put in like regular oat milk. I'm gonna put in ice first. I personally think that the more ice you put in, the better it tastes. So just take a sip of that.
Oh, wow.
That is sweet. It's really good though. No, next time I make this coffee, I need to put less of that instant coffee because that coffee is actually really fucking strong. This is our little dining table, and you can see, so usually what I do is that I just eat my breakfast here. I just chill. I like watch out the window like what's going on. I went to Papa Bagels today, guys, and Loki, the guy who took my order, he was kind of fucking cute. You have to buy a minimum 3. I got 4. Loki, I was like, should I make a move? But I'm like, the fuck? I'm like, you never even been on a date before. Like, yeah, right. Next, we will be touring our room. Our room is in a very interesting state right now. It's extremely messy. So I guess I'll give you guys a before and after. So I'm just gonna show you the state of my room, and then I'm gonna clean up my room, and then you guys will see the final room, okay? So for the next clip, when you see it, you can't be like,
Oh my god, Dia, what the fuck is that?
no, you need to calm down and let me do my thing, okay? Hi. This is the state of my room, okay? Can't be mean, be encouraging, be nice. Bottom here is like a bunch of clothes. I don't even think you can see it really. Don't get me wrong, it's not dirty. I wouldn't say it's dirty, it's a little messy. This right here are my shoes. These are only some of my shoes, like the shoes I wear the most often. These are some of my shoes. These are some of my housemates' shoes. But up here, this is my suitcase. For those of you guys who like watched me ever since like my Boston vlog, you remember this rack, right? This rack was right behind me. I can't really fit this in my bedroom, so I decided to put it out here. We can all hang our clothes. Honestly, it's pretty useful. You can see majority of it is my boots. This is dryer, washer. Currently, I am washing my clothes. Guys, this is the next day because I was cleaning my room and then my camera died. And so this is the next day and you guys are gonna see what my room looks like. I have Sasha here with me and she's gonna help me film my little room tour. I'll say anything. Period. She's gonna be the one behind the camera. Come in. Is my bed usually made? No. I made it for the video. This is my little laundry basket sort of situation. This is my mirror. And this is just like a drawer of like a bunch of clothes. And then I try to just do like long sleeve skirts, tank top sort of situation, and then in jeans, but it's not working out. Anyways, so this is my little storage unit. I highly recommend you guys to get one of these. I think I got this on Amazon or IKEA, I don't remember. This is really good because it looks really minimalistic. Put a bunch of weird shit in here. Nobody sees weird shit. It just looks really aesthetic. Do you guys want to see what's in here? I prefer not to. You guys remain curious. I have decreased my jewelry as time went on, so these are kind of my staple pieces, I would say. I haven't been wanting to buy new jewelry. Like, I don't need it. It's cool. So these are my jewelry collection, in case you guys are wondering. This is like also another box of jewelry. I have a little watch, rings. I don't really wear rings these days, and then some earrings, but you guys see me. My staple, I alternate between 3 pieces. Big hoops, these pearls, or the long thread pearls. This is a bunch of hair accessories in case you're wondering. I know this could look way better. Anyways, perfume wise, these are my perfumes. Literally, I only have a few. Orbella. Love her. I have a Lancome one. This is the Idol one. This is Gucci. This is Bloom. But this is my current favorite one. It's a fabric spray. It's the Life on Earth. It's the scent White Shirts. So yeah, this is basically my little section here. Anyways, next is my desk area. This is in my Boston apartment too. I have like this little desk here. For those of you guys wondering what my desk is, this is from Flexi Spot. This part, you can adjust this, which is really cool. I wanted to utilize, because I take a lot of Polaroids with friends and I just wanted to put them up. I have this little shelf thing, mainly for my hair stuff. And then this section right here is actually my makeup spot. I have really good natural lighting because this is south facing. Usually I would just have a stool here and I would just like do my makeup here. I should probably get like a nightstand situation going on, but I'm too lazy. Minimalistic, bro. Minimalistic. So I have an air purifier and a little fucking light. She's a little messy at the moment, so we don't talk about that. So currently, this is the vibes, in case you guys are wondering.
Yeah, where do you store your clothes?
I also have some stuff underneath the bed, but you guys don't You guys don't need to see that. So on the side right here, you can see that there's some storage part for bags and stuff. And I know this could be a lot neater. I can't be bothered. Yeah, get a good look of it and we're gonna move on. So because mine is the master bedroom, we have a bathroom. Honestly, my bathroom right now looks a little disgusting, so I'm gonna make this really fast. So basically lights. So this is basically the bathroom. It's not that big. And then I have lights here too. I have storage. I'm literally trying a lot of different skincare right now. This is only going to become larger as time goes on, like my products here. So that's a little storage for my skincare. I've been thinking about getting like a basket here because I can fill like stuff up. And this is a sink, and you can see, come in, you come in. This is my little shower in case you're wondering.
Theo, where do you shower? What does your shower place look like?
It's very regular. Anyway, so that's it for my little room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys all next week. Until then, have an amazing rest of your day, afternoon, and night. Bye! Love you!